I accordingly declare Honorable Didiza duly elected Speaker of the National Assembly.
Emva kokuqokwa uDidiza ube esengamela umsebenzi wokuqokwa kwephini lakhe.
I'd like to thank all of you as members who have participated in this democratic process of electing the Speaker of the National Assembly.
Ngasekuqaleni kosuku engekho wonke amalungu eMK Party sizibule kanje isiqalo sokwakhiwa kohulumeni omusha ozohola iNingizimu Afrika kuleminyaka emihlanu ezayo. Bonke bebesho ngazwilinye bezibophezela ukhola lelizwe ngokwethembeka.
Ndiyafunga okokuba ndiza kunyaniseka kwiRepublic yoMzantsi Afrika.
Kubonakale kufungiswa nenkosi yakwaButhelezi uZuzifa Buthelezi noyindodana yomsunguli weIFP inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi ongasekho njengelungu lePhalamende ngaphansi kweqembu lenkatha. uThoko Didiza weANC noVeronica Mende weEFF baphakanyiswe kwesokuba ngusomlomo wePhalamende.
I hereby nominate for the candidate of a Speaker, Honorable Thokozile Angela Didiza. I hereby submit.
I am nominating Untombo Vuyo Veronica Mente for the position of Speaker.
Chief Justice, my name is Angela Thokozile Didiza. I hereby accept the nomination as the Speaker of the National.
Thank you very much.
Ndiyayamkela inomination yokuba nguSpeaker.
Emva kokuvota amalungu eEFF aphakamise ukuthi ukubalwa kwamavoti kube sesidlangalaleni.
It is undemocratic to say the counting cannot be observed. What are we teaching the country now? What are we telling the South Africans who are watching these proceedings?
Kuvunyelwane ngokuthi kube nomuntu ozomela iqembu ngalinye uma sekubalwa amavoti.
Let's rather agree as a sitting that we designate party whips to observe the counting wherever it will be taking place.
I'm inclined to accept the proposal that there would be representatives of various parties present when the counting happens.
Angu 341 amalungu ePhalamende avotile.